Hello everyone, welcome to HE Gaming. In this series, we will be diving into Python programming language step by step, starting with the basics and gradually moving toward concepts that are crucial for different fields. By the end of this course, you will not only understand Python but also be ready to start working with the data like a pro. So, what is programming? As we all know, computer is a dumb machine. It understands only zeros and ones, which is known as an assembly language. Programming languages is the bridge between humans and computers. Humans write a code, and that code is compiled or interpreted into an assembly language that is processed by computers to understand and perform the task. The examples of programming languages are C++, Java, Python, etc. So, what actually is Python? Python is a scripting and high-level, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language. It is known for its readability and simplicity. It is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and also in gaming industry it is used. So, who actually created Python? Python was introduced by Guido van Rossum in 1991. He named it after the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus. Why use Python? It has a beginner's friendly syntax. It has a huge library support like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. It is an open source and has a large community for support. So, the huge difference of Python syntax versus other languages is, in Java, if you want to print to the console window the word hello world, so we have to write this much code. In C++, we have to write 5 lines of code, but in Python, we just have to write print hello world. The reasons behind learning Python is because of its readability, easy to learn, and its syntax. It has no compilation, and because of that, its code development is very speedy. It has many libraries, and it is heavily used in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, and due to this, we have many jobs opportunities. Now, if you want to note some of the key features of Python, you should stop this video and take off your notes and start writing these key features of Python. Okay, in this course, what we will be learning. We already covered what is programming and what is Python and the features of Python. In the next video, we will be covering the installation process of Python, and after that, we will be covering in each video the variables, numbers and data types, strings, lists and tuples, dictionaries and sets, and so on. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you so, kindly subscribe to my channel. We will be meeting in the next video soon.